This is Alex's frickin' cute take 2.
Oh my gosh.
Alex.
No, we're due for a burp, so we gotta do that.
Burp time.
Okay. Okay.
Here we go.
I'm gonna be mad.
Okay, take 2.
Okay. Ready? Okay. Here we go.
This is the important procedure.
Okay, we gotta burp. Come on. Oh, crikey.
Oh my goodness.
Oh. Get a burp? Come on.
Hi there, mister.
Yay.
Oh, sorry, that was close.
All right. He's so compliant. Yay, baby. Okay.
That was the most gnarly burp he's
That was wonderful.
ever had.
Okay. Let's get some more foods then. Ready? I think he's got some space now.
Yeah.
Here, baby.
Yeah. Oh,
you're
my
look at his
God,
big
we'll let
belly.
that one